Have you ever wondered what C60 looks like when you take it out of the refrigerator? Let's take a look. Olive oil gets thick and cloudy when it's stored in the refrigerator. It's due to the natural waxes in the oil solidifying at low temperatures. But don't worry, it's completely reversible. As the olive oil starts to warm up, those solid wax crystals melt, restoring its liquid state, and it doesn't affect the quality or flavour of the oil at all. And as you can see, the beautiful ruby red colour of the C60 oil is still there. So that's what C60 looks like when you take it out of the refrigerator. If you've got any questions about C60, put them in the comments below.